Here we have 5 different coasters that all have been made using the basic same idea, just changing how they have been decorated. You start with this here crochet netting. There's 10 times 10 holes, and the idea is to put just anything into those holes to create the coasters. Check out the video where I'm showing how to make this here net and one of the ways to pass the yarns. You have the link here as well as in the description. This here one is just like the original idea that you have on this other video, parsing yarns from one end to the other and tying them. This one is close to the same idea, but with this one, instead of passing from one side to the other only, as you can see, I have crisscrossed them. So there's always 2 lines and then they go across. This one has a crochet chain in the middle, and let's look quickly how that was made. With this here one, I have a long chain crocheted in very thick yarn, chunky yarn, and then just passing it through the holes over and under. And like this till the end. And then I just have big knots at the end so it doesn't come apart. Then there's another one. Here I have used glitter yarn and this sort of a loopy novelty yarn to pass through. When you are using glitter yarn, you can't put anything too hot on it because it will then melt. But it's great especially for cold drinks. The 5th one is different in that I have used much chunkier yarn and a larger hook. Because of that, I have only needed 7 holes instead of 10, and the different color has been passed round in spiral instead of back and forth. And the cord that's in here is I-cord that I have crocheted myself using silver glitter yarn. And I'm also adding a link to the description how to make this kind of I-cord. It's a very quick way to make an I-cord. Here we are. So which type are you going to make for your Christmas table? Or have these ideas inspired you to create again different types of ideas? Please tell me in the comments. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that now and also click the bell so you don't miss my next tutorials. Happy crocheting!